today I'm going to be talking about 6 of my favorite wall looks that I've created using our stencils, so let's get right into those looks. For the first look, I created this beautiful stained glass looking design using our St. Anthony Basilica Tile stencil, and the way I created this look was I really just used on a white base. I used 4 different colors to fill in the stencil in very specific areas, and doing this really just created these really nice shapes in the stencil, and I absolutely love how this look turned out. For this next look, I had a little fun and did a 70s themed inspired design, and I used a 70s color palette using a lot of browns and oranges on a light orange background, and also had some white thrown in there for some contrast, and I just think this look turned out so beautiful using the different colors on the different sections of those circular shapes. This look was one of my favorites, I think, because it just really looks like a garden of florals, and I just love how it turned out. I used one of our many flower stencils that we have on our website, and I really got into detail with the different colors used on the flowers and really just scattered them out throughout the wall, and I just think this look turned out so beautiful. This next look was really interesting, and I used our Prague Cobblestone Street Tile stencil, and it is one of our newer stencils featured on our website, and I used some Venetian plaster to create this stencil to kind of create a raised effect very similar to a real cobblestone look. And then I also used some gold leaf in the middle to just add a pop of interest, and I just think the texture of the Venetian plaster against the very metallic gold was just the perfect touch to the look. Another one of our really summery looks was created with this Sunflower Duo stencil, and this was just in the massive size on our website, so I just thought it would look so fantastic scattered on a wall, and it really just brought a pop of happiness and just sunshine to the wall, and I loved how it turned out. And lastly, we have the Jerez de la Frontera flower stencil, and I just think this is a very simple stencil that just came out super beautiful. Depending on what color palette you choose, it can be super customizable to whatever fits in your home, and I just think that is the beauty of it, and I absolutely love this look. That about wraps it up for us today on these 6 wall looks. I hope you enjoyed all of them, and if you want to go check out some stencils for yourself, you can head over to stencilmepretty.com. Our Instagram is also stencilmepretty if you want to check out some of our recent projects, and I hope you guys enjoyed all of these looks, and check back at our next video.